Hello everyone, my name is Amit Kumar and in this video I'm gonna show you how to use GLM 5.2 model for free. And this snake game was created with GLM 5.2 and this tic-tac-toe game also created with 5.2. Let me show you that. The snake game was created with the single HTML file and we used the tic-tac-toe game also. Same command, you can open it in the browser like this and it will be the same game. Okay, in this video we have two methods and both are working. I want you to make sure you watch the each and every step in the whole video so that you can get the benefit. Otherwise you will comment me it is not working. First of all, let me show you why we should use GLM 5.2 or 5.1. This website was created with GLM 5.1. Let me show you that you would not believe it. It is a complete landing come waiting list page and it was created with the GLM 5.1. Let me show you GLM 5.1 and you can see that the website was created with it, and 5.2 is much better than 5.1. So all you need to do is to use this, go to Cloudflare and make sure you sign up for a new account. If you have an old account, just log in like me. Then inside in this left bar, go to AI, then go to Workers AI. If you want to like try any model, just go to the models in the AI section and like let me tell you GLM, and we can use this model launch with LLM, and we just go over here and search for GLM and 5.2, and if we say hi it will say hi. So as you can see that it is working. To use it in the Opencode, you need to install the Opencode. Let me tell you how can you install. Just open a terminal and run this npm command if you are on Windows. If you are on Mac OS, just run this command. If you are on Linux, then run this command. We are on the Windows, so we will run the npm command. Make sure node is installed on your PC. Let me write this. So as you can see, it has just installed the Opencode. Now we need to launch the Opencode. So as you can see, the Opencode is launched. Now go to the Cloudflare and go to Workers AI, and from here you can see that you get 10,000 neurons for free for a single day. So go to the REST API and like copy your account ID, go to the Opencode, enter the forward slash and then select the connect option. Now search here Cloudflare Workers AI. Now press enter. Now paste your account ID and press enter. Now it will ask for API key. Go to this section, create a Workers API token, and you can name it YT video test. I'm naming this, you can name it anything. Just hit the create API token. Now copy this API token and go to the Opencode and paste it in here and just press the enter button. As you can see, now it is showing all the models available on the Cloudflare. Just select the GLM 5.2 and we can say hi from here. So as you can see that it is working, and you can use this model or any other model as well of like Cloudflare. Let me show you. Kimi K 2.0. Hello again. So as you can see that every model is working, not even GLM 5.2. For our second trick, like we need to go to the Z code, search for Z code in the Google and go to zcode.z.ai and download the package for Windows. If you are on Mac OS and Linux, just press this button. Let me show you. View all downloads and you can download the program file for your operating system and then just install it. After installation, open the G code. Now it will ask you for login. Now press the connect to the Z.ai. Make sure you make a account with chat.z.ai. If you don't have any account, then press continue, and in the application we are in here. You can select the model And this trick gives you almost, let me tell you, this trick give you almost 30 million tokens for free, and you can see your uses here, detailed uses, and you can see the models available. Only two model is available, and GLM 5.2 model is also available. So let me show you that it is working or not. So as you can say that it is replying I am Z code and blah blah blah. So you can use GLM 5.2 model for free this using these tricks. And guys, please subscribe the YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.